two ways for it, by Google Lens and by the web browser. We start from the Google Lens method, and to do it just go to the gallery and look for the photos that you want to search in the Google, like this one for example. Now just tap on Google Lens. You can see now Google looking automatically for the similar or the same image. And this is the first method. The second way, we have to go to the web browser and go to the google.com. Now it's very important step, just click here and choose desktop site. Now tap on this little camera icon and tap on upload a file. Add the permissions to your gallery and choose your photo again. Now click done, and how you can see now Google looks for same images or similar one. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.